Let us all rise for the invocation.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்து எழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென இகழ்வரத கண்டமில்லை எக்களமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாளும் தக்க சிறு பிரிவுகளும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரமை திறமிழந்து செயல்மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
Vice Chancellor Dr. R.P. Vajpayee deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Chancellor Sahab, Madam Chancellor, Madam Trustee, and all my distinguished fellow professors, media person, it's our great privilege to welcome two stalwarts who have brought a niche technology to this country. The people who have put up this country into the roadmap of what is called the software, engineering, technology, outsourcing, and so on. I'm very happy to inform you that these two people have done a lot of work in their respective areas. Professor Narayana Murthy is a symbol of technology in this country. He has, numerous awards. This doctor of science, earned his Kaja from more than 25 places. He got the Ernst & Young Award and so many awards to name. Sir, it's my privilege to welcome you. We are very happy that you have accepted our, invitation and you have accepted this. Similarly, let us give a big hand to Professor Dr. Narayanan, and then we have equally, what is called a stalwart in his area, and is Sudha Narayanan. Su means Sundar, Dha has two meaning. Dha means, the Buddhi also, when Dhis to Dha, and also the Dhara. So what happens, such a nice name, and so the nice, what is called the action and reaction for serving the society. Professor Sudha is an engineer by profession, and he has established what is called the foundation, Infosys Foundation, and through this, she is doing wonderful job, serving the society, utilizing the funds that comes in the trust in a very right way. Example is that, doing service to the leprosy people, doing service to the downtrodden, for the tsunami people, what not we can go on naming. A wonderful job he has done, and through writing process, she is connecting the people. She is connecting the people. You see, many scientists and engineers like me are very dry, but I tell you, she is an engineer and dry, and she has written wonderful books which control the people. Sir, I would like to tell you that Welltech represents India. We integrate India. We have every student from every part of this country, and we have all the technologies which our Honorable Chancellor has brought. We have got more than 149, what is called Memorandum of Understanding. We are working with the almost 3,000 industry for the placement for intensive of our people. big companies like Volkswagen and Germany, for example, the Braunschweig, we work together. Similarly, we work with China, as I told you. We are also working with the other German group, with the missile group we work with them. We also work with what is called the French group of company like Dassault System. We have got the CADIA 6, and CADIA 6, is the best, what is called 6th version of the software, which connect not only the design but also connect with the integrated process and manufacturing. So I think we have got all this, in fact, an artifact that is good for the production of large scale product. Chennai is, a hub for, what is called auto and aerospace component, and this is a lot of, more than $7-8 billion industry. And I tell you, with time to come, we are training our students to take these parts and be the part of this industry and become the industrialists in this domain. Similarly, in software also, we have every programs. Management program also we have, renovated, we have done in a new way by introducing what is called the ERP and SAP. So what happens, the link production from outlet, from inception to outlet can be taken over. Similarly, we have got a very good group in very large scale integrated circuit designing, very high speed design. So all the artifact that goes with the, the technology that goes, we have people at place, and we want that our student to compete the best. And I am proud that, each one coming out, because we work with more than around 3,000 industries. There's a link, what is called the training program, and these students get fixed and at different locations. These students are from different locations, and therefore we try to provide them the location in their domain. This is another beauty of my house, I tell you. So, you have accepted our invitation, madam. I'm grateful to you and look forward, and let us give a big hand to Dr. Professor Sudha Narayanan. We continue to come, have a patronage on this, our Weltec. Weltec is the creation of one man who is saint-like, and I tell you, you won't believe it, all MOUs are active MOUs. When we say 179 MOUs, is all created by Professor Rangarajan. Thank you very much, and again I welcome the media people, I welcome my students, my distinguished professors, and distinguished invitees. Thank you very much.